What, they trying to pull us?
They're going to pull us now in a second, watch. Two X5 BMWs, isn't it?
X5s, bro?
Yeah, armed police.
Hey, man's live, innit? Don't talk mad. What the fuck?
You see the high beams?
Nah, bro. Oh yeah, I see them now.
Yeah, that's them, innit? That's their backup. Watch, they're gonna pull out, and they're gonna come up right next to us. And look, that's back up again.
What? Why are there bare jeeps, bro?
Yep. And there's a BMW. There's another BMW as well. Watch. You see? Ready? You ready?
Yeah. Is that BMW behind us?
Yeah. There's a BMW past us. Yeah. So watch this car. Mercedes goes, and then there's a BMW.
What the hell do they want from me, bro? Is that them?
No, you'll see them on the right here. Look, see that sitting right behind us. Right behind us.
What the fuck do they want, bro?
Right behind us. That's them, innit? That's two of them, innit? Right behind each other.
What? Don't they know that I've got a number one? What do they want from me, fam?
What? We're gonna get pulled. I'm gonna start recording.
Why are they on me, bro? I'm on live, bro. They're weird, fam.
Fucking idiots, man. Yep. They're either gonna follow us home or they're gonna fucking pull us in a minute.
They're weird, bro.
Yeah. That's what they do, bro.
You're lucky we're on the moots, bro. Man would have pulled over for them. Say, what's up, fam? What do you want from me, bro? Serious, bro. What the fuck? Even weird, fam. You lot, you see what happens when man's trying to do good. Big man thing, bro. I'm doing music and that. Now man's getting followed by police, bro. What the fuck is this? I'm a fucking rapper, mate. What the hell?
Look, right behind us. Fuckers, bro. Fuckers.
They need to lie,
I don't understand why.
They're mad weird, that.
That's what they do, bro. Obviously they've got nothing better to do. Clearly got nothing better to fucking do.
These people are mad weird, fam.
Hey, look, see? Switching lanes again. See it behind us.
They're weird.
Yep. It's gonna stink some weed in it, though, bro.
Yeah, the weed's gone, fam. How about that? What, they're gonna pull us?
Yeah.
When?
Coming up, and then there's gonna be three of them pulling us at the same time.
Wow, this is long.
It is what it is, bro. That's what they do. If they take this left here, yeah? What? Yeah, that's us. I'm gonna stop in a minute, you know that?
Yeah.
I'm stopping. We can ask what you want. Right, so just follow us all the way. And I'm just gonna stop. Be like, you're harassing me. Can I ask what's going on?
Yeah, so you're harassing my client, bro. What the fuck? I told them you're...
Yeah, I will.
Are they buzzing or something, bro? Why the fuck are they following me for?
What? I need to find a lane to pull in over. Look,
These guys are haters, you know. They don't like when they see, like, man, it's pull over here, bro. What are they on? Look at them. What the fuck do they want?
Yeah, mate, you're detained under Section 47 of the Firearms Act. Stay there
cool.
at the moment.
Yeah,
Stay there.
cool.
Okay, I believe there may be an incident today only over
Fam, I'm a rapper. I'm a rapper.
That's cool.
I got a number one. Do I think I do deal with firearms, fam?
Well, this car was involved in a firearms incident
Fam,
earlier today.
do I look like I deal with firearms?
I don't know who you are. I don't care who you are,
Alright,
but I'm
cool,
telling you what's
cool.
happened. You're
Alright,
detained
cool.
under Section 47 of the Firearms Act. Okay, 1 PC really 4616/019. Okay, that's the reason you're detained for the purpose of search. Okay, you're entitled to a copy of the form 81. Alright?
Yeah, no problem.
Keep saying, get them out. We'll come up. Cool.
Oh, of course. No, don't put my